Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a transition to your videos on Filmora 12. So first of all, if I just go ahead and add some footage, what I will do is I will just add this right here. So let's just say I want to add a transition over to this. So what I can do is I will just cut it right there, and then I will cut it right here, and I'll just delete this section, and then obviously it will go from this over to this. So let's just go ahead and add now a transition. So as you can see in the top left hand corner, if you go ahead and go across, you will see an option for transitions. If you click on this, this will bring up all of these right here. So you have mine, which are your favorites and your downloads. You have recommended, which obviously are trending and new. What else you have are transitions, which is just a catalogue of all the transitions available on Filmora 12. Obviously some of these are only available in the paid subscription, but you know, a lot of these are also free. So what you can do, so if I just go back up to mine for example, what I can do is I will go to the ones that I've downloaded. So as you can see, these are the ones that I've downloaded just for the sake of today's video. So what I can do, once I found the transition that I want, is click on it and drag it onto my timeline. Position it wherever you want, so you can position it in between these two clips right here. What you can do is you can double click on this to, you know, make some adjustments. So you can obviously change the duration, and you can obviously go to a prefix or postfix, or the one that I've got personally is the overlap. So what we need to do now is just simply go ahead and play this out. And then as you can see, that's how you go ahead and add a transition in Filmora 12. So it's just that simple guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.